seconds to H. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 to H. 4, 3, 2, 1.
So what about the Ramos?
Good morning, America.
Coming up, we're in the open.
The unit whose members were involved in the brutal beating death of Tyree Nichols now permanently deactivated.
Short for Street Crimes Operation to Restore Peace in Our Neighborhoods, the unit announced they were November of 2021 to control high-crime hotspots. Touted by the mayor for its hundreds of felony arrests for violent crime and car thefts within just months of its inception, but has since come under fire. Good morning, Lawyers for the family alleging scorpions of previous instances pleaded for.
This Scorpion was designed to saturate under the guise of crime fighting. And what it wound up doing instead was creating a continuum.
All right, ready, Nito, 1. Here we go, ready?
Sean wants to do one.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go, Biz, music, and roll to 1.
Hey, Dennis?
Good morning, America.
7:25:12. We're doing the whole open. So whatever it was, there's a new final pod update, but maybe they'll rectify the issue that he was discussing. So the full open, 7:22:12.
More action. The new effort
Before
at
that,
police
the
reform
Ramos
as
were
we
the
take a
one.
closer look at the pulse
Being
of
clean
change.
and
Speaking
let me
with
see
the
if there's a note from
NAACP
El
president.
El Haj has something for us, so get ready.
17 million Americans
Rating from our
Minnesota,
national
Texas,
station
reporting
WGMA.
chill alerts as low as 50 below zero.
Lulu, KITV, TV.
So they redid the whole open.
Yeah, the whole damn thing is in. And so I got a total of 5 things
Our
now.
question number 1. Although the location is
The
never
open, you
been
got
in the
Ramos
sitcom
in.
from the 60s.
Elwin Lopez right after Ramos, the debrief, we have new video for that.
Good morning, America. I believe that's a Gilligan. Something.
Wait, is Gulligan the water company or something? You know.
We're gonna Google Gilligan.
Focus on. Okay, the open is in, the clean,
And that becomes a.
what is this, Ramos?
Clean Ramos is the next, very first piece in the show, the next element.
That's done.
Okay, now right after Ramos, we have Elwin Lopez.
Yes.
Now in the Elwin Lopez, this is falls under the category as urgent.
Okay.
A new video to cover Elwin currently being cut. I don't know what we're taking away, but 2934 Memphis demonstrations. I guess wherever you see demonstrations, cover it with the 2934. You see a new pod.
Thank you. And there's more on the growing calls for police reform this morning following the release of that body camera video. ABC's Elwin Lopez also in Memphis for us. Elwin, good morning.
There's a lot, this is gonna take a lot of.
All right, listen, if you notice towards the end of the clip, you'll see them walking in the rain.
Yes.
So use that
I'm
for
gonna
the
use
top.
that on the front.
And also, I did question the intro. Was
I already
replace
did
that
that.
as
I already did
Oh, you
that.
did that as well.
I used the front of it because it's not
Yeah.
referenced.
Okay.
Right.
But you replaced what area? That's great.
Yeah. Okay, that's done.
Okay, there's one more
What
thing.
else you got?
British-born Riceboro, despite this controversy, the moment is a dream
just
come
want-
true.
I'm almost
Of the
done.
deadline,
Okay.
I'm astounded. It was so hard to believe it might ever happen.
It's breezy. In breezy.
Which breezy? There were 2 in the first segment. First one was just a short
I need to
debrief.
fix weather breezy forecast. Map popped up but needs to be video. So I believe it's the national weather. A map's apparently popped up. It's supposed to be video. I don't know.
Good morning. Morning, Eva. We are tracking snow and also dangerous wind chills. I want to show you this video. This is from Waterloo, Iowa yesterday. We were talking about the snow coming down, and you can see this. The snow continues to be heavy
I
at
think this
times.
is it.
You can see the cars slides off the road, first responders helping out with that. Now, at least half the country.
Okay, I'm gonna need that B-roll on it.
Deadline, I'm astounded.
Okay, I'm rolling on it.
Yeah, we're set. You can roll it.
Okay, so now we're going.
All right, so this didn't air, they had a map
It
by
did,
accident?
but
They
it got
jumped-
cut off.
They jumped on?
And
jumped
they
off
had a
of it?
weather map before it.
Yeah, all right, this is good, this is good.
I'm covering up the weather map with this,
Yeah.
Cool. And then from this, we went into
the map, which is already there.
Which I'll keep, yeah. All right, great.
And then do you need the rest of it, or is it?
I don't think so.
I think,
I think I'm good, but.
yeah, the other stuff was okay, but we'll take it just in case.
Snow and also dangerous wind chills. I want to show you this video. This is from Waterloo, Iowa yesterday. We were talking about the snow coming down, and you can see this. The snow continues to be heavy at times. You can see the cars slides off the road, first responders helping out with that. Now, at least half the country under some sort of winter storm alert or even wind chill alerts. We've got 17 or 18 states.
Okay, that's done.
Beautiful.
So,
All right, we can actually review, man.
let's review. Open, the whole open was replaced.
That's correct.
Ramos Clean was put in.
Right.
Next is the Lopez B-roll replaced. Both the intro B-roll and the entire B-roll
What's the debrief, yeah?
of the debrief.
Good. Wonderful. And,
Then Breezy's B-roll. There was a map that came up,
right,
covered that up with this B-roll.
that's all I have.
That's good.
2226, you tell me.
2226. Yep.
3816, ready for a test roll.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll 16 track.
Good morning, America. Scorpion scrapped. The unit whose members were involved in the brutal beating death of Tyree Nichols now permanently deactivated. Protesters demanding even more action. The new efforts at police
I assume he'll want to.
Thank you.
All right, we're good, we can reach you.
Yeah, we got the con. Ready, 3016.
Who's this?
9, 8,
Oh, Armando, is that you?
5. You don't need anything anymore, right, Gary?
No, it's the same. What happened was they updated the piece with some credits, but for you, it's the same.
On the air.
Thank you.
So we're on the air. We'll get to Danielle Breezy.
2226, which is